Hi, it's Hartraset and today I'll show you how to fix battery drain problem on Honor 600. So first go into the settings, then find battery settings, into the power saving mode, and here we have a couple options. We have the automatically enable power saving mode. When this is enabled, this mode will automatically enable when battery is between 10 and 60%, so you can enable it. Also reduce the refresh rate and enable the dark mode. Then we have battery optimization, and you can right here click optimize to optimize your battery. And then into the more battery settings, and here you have the smart charging to charge your device faster. We have the safe charging, smart battery capacity, and many options more. Then go into the display and brightness, enable the dark mode, lower the sleep timeout to around 1 minute. Then scroll from the top and right here disable every feature you're not using, for example a Wi-Fi or a Bluetooth. And that's it. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.